I challenged my daughter to fry plantain on her own. Yes, she fries plantain on a normal day, but we have never had any shots where she's actually doing the cooking. So today I decided she's the one going to be doing everything and I will just be doing the shooting. So she went ahead to cut her plantains into circles. I don't know what she's making, but let's see how it goes. So after doing that, she salted her plantain. She added chili pepper. On a normal day, I don't think I would have added chili pepper to my plantain, but I think I love it, and I'll also be following a strategy or a trick, whatever that is. I am also going to be trying it out because it came out very, very nice. So she went ahead, set that aside, put her oil on the pan, let it heat for a little bit. Then she went ahead and pour in a salted and chilled plantain, and she fried that on medium heat for a while till it was golden brown. Then she brought it out, and let me tell you, this plantain is actually tasty. They had it with scrambled egg. I'll be posting a recipe of a scrambled egg here so you can see how she did. Anyways, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel. This channel is basically a place where we cook everything we eat in my home and post it here for you guys to see. Maybe you can learn one or two things that you can do in your own. We just love to try new things. We love to make sumptuous meals and all of that. So maybe you try out our recipe and see how it came out. Then you tell us in the comment section. And if you want us to give you a shout out, do also drop your name and your location, and we'll do justice to that. Ta-da's!
It's coming back, but